Živijo. Kako ti je ime? Kalin, bolj imaš velik meč, boš malo pokazal, kaj dela z meči. Pokaži. Kje ga se oponaša? Nekaj bi ti rad pokazal, kar jaz obvladam. Bi rad videl en trik? Dej ta krogce naprej. Jaz imam seboj, upam, da boš prepoznal. To je v bistvu majhna Rubikova kocka. Nekako tako roko, pa ne spustiti, gledaš jo, jo bo malo zavrtela, ok? Si pripravljen? Gledaj Rubikovo kocko. 3, 2, 1. Vzemi, pojej. Super, to je to, 5. Evo ga. Now they will say you have a new husband. Hi. Hi. Where are you from?
Mexico.
Mexico. Oh, you like magic?
Yes.
Good. Perfect. Me too. Check the coin. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yeah, it's a normal coin, right?
Yes.
This is very important, right? A marker, right?
Marcador.
Marcador. I want you to write your first letter of your name.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna show the camera so the camera really can see it. I want you to just squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze, 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 hold it tight. Watch. Did you saw the smoke? You know why?
Why?
Because your coin has now disappeared.
No.
Yeah, watch. Open up slowly, slowly.
Wow!
Coin has disappeared, but it changes into a little plastic, and you can have this. Hi.
Hi.
Can I sit? Yeah, sure. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I can sit with her. Good. I would like to show you one of my favorite tricks. Okay. One of my biggest idols is Harry Houdini. He took small objects, very small objects, and he could swallow them, and he could bring them back. I have been in magic for 14 years right now. Don't be afraid. You won't disappear. Yes. It's a string.
A string.
It's a real string. Watch. Here, you can take it as a souvenir.
Perfect.